Started doing this over 30 years ago, when the only way we knew how to do it was to jack your house up, tear your foundation out, and put a new foundation in. I was in my office in the copy room with an engineer who happened to be standing next to me. We get a fax from Ramjack. It talks about steel piers that fix settling foundations. I looked at him, I said, "What do you think of this?" He said, "Hey, if that fixes what we got going on in the Pacific Northwest, you've got something." I said, "You mean we don't have to do this the old-fashioned way anymore?" He said, I don't think so. I signed up with them right away. They came out in January of 2001. We did our first job a couple months later after we were in the office. The engineer was there watching the whole thing. We put in 10 piles, lifted the house up. We did all that in a week, where it would have taken us a month and a half the old-fashioned way.
Growing up, one of my dad's favorite things to do was to drive around Oregon and point out the houses that he had done work on. It'd be a Saturday morning, we'd be driving across town, and he'd point out 6 or 7 houses that he had fixed up. And he'll tell a story to us about the work that he did, and he'd also talk about the relationship that he had with his client, oftentimes referring to his client as a friend. The other thing I'll never forget about growing up is going out to job sites and looking at the crews. The back of their shirts in big letters was always "customer satisfaction is number 1." And I believe that for 25 years, Ken has never forgotten that. And the reason I'm so proud to be here at Ramjack West and so excited to continue on this legacy is I believe that if you combine a steadfast commitment to customer service with decades of structural repair experience and products that are best suited to solve the problems that we have going on in the Pacific Northwest, that's a winning formula. And I'm excited to continue on that legacy.
You know, a lot of times we have to, deal with clients and homeowners that have had other companies come out, give them different bids, things that may be needed, may not be needed. With Ramjack, you can fully believe that we're going to give you the honest truth and give you what you need to protect your home.
It's been very rewarding over the last 25 years to go to the grocery store or go to the gas station. I'm wearing a Ramjack shirt, a Ramjack vest. Somebody will come up to me and say, "Hey, you fixed my foundation," or "You fixed my friend's foundation." It makes you very proud to be part of the community.
Remember, you got a lifetime warranty.
Oh, wow.
Backed by a warranty trust. So if you ever sell this house,
Wow.
you're good to go.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's awesome. Well, have a great day.
You do have wonderful afternoon. We're family owned, been family owned from the beginning.
Family business.
Ramjack can fix that. Trust Ramjack. Schedule your free foundation evaluation today.
We are local, we hire local, we sponsor local. We sponsored kids sports here in Eugene. We've sponsored high schools in Eugene and the Seattle area. We want to continue to do more of that.
Over the last couple decades, watching Ramjack's involvement in our communities has been really inspiring. I'm excited to continue on that legacy. Now that I've got small kids, we're going to continue to make investments in our community.
From our commitment to customer service, American-made products.
Discover why people who do their homework choose Ramjack.